Hello, my friends, and welcome back to our channel, Smashing Goals. Today, we are going to touch on the topic, the benefits of a personal line of credit. But before I get started, just remember, this is not financial advice and is only my opinion. Also, smash the like button, and if you are new to the channel, subscribe to get the latest content. Now let's dive into this topic. So, I have put together some key advantages to consider when discussing the benefits of a personal line of credit. Let's get into them. First, it can allow a lot of flexibility. Personal lines of credit provide flexibility, allowing you to borrow funds as needed, up to a predetermined credit limit. You only pay interest on the amount you borrow, making it a versatile financial tool. Secondly, for an emergency fund. A line of credit can serve as a safety net for unexpected expenses, such as medical bills or car repairs. It provides quick access to funds without the need for a lengthy application process. Third, a lower interest rate. Personal lines of credit often come with lower interest rates compared to credit cards, making it a cost-effective option for borrowing money. Fourth, improving your credit score. Responsible use of a personal line of credit can positively impact your credit score. Timely payments and responsible borrowing can enhance your creditworthiness. Fifth, consolidating debt. You can use a personal line of credit to consolidate high-interest debt, such as credit card balances, into a single, more manageable loan with a lower interest rate. 6. For home renovations. If you're looking to renovate your home, a personal line of credit can provide a convenient source of funds for these projects. 7. Business ventures. Entrepreneurs and small business owners can use a personal line of credit to fund business expenses when they are starting up or need extra working capital. 8. For travel and leisure. Personal lines of credit can be a source of financing for planned vacations, weddings, or other major life events. 9th, there is no collateral required. Unlike some other forms of borrowing, personal lines of credit are often unsecured, meaning you don't have to put up assets as collateral. 10th, manageable payments. Lines of credit typically offer lower minimum monthly payments compared to fixed-term loans, making it easier to manage your finances. So, I just gave 10 good benefits of using a personal line of credit. So, just to recap, when considering the benefits of a personal line of credit, it's important to recognize its versatility and convenience. Personal lines of credit offer the flexibility to access funds as needed, up to a predefined credit limit, without having to reapply each time you require financing. This can be a lifeline during emergencies, such as medical bills or sudden home repairs, providing quick access to cash. Furthermore, personal lines of credit often come with lower interest rates compared to credit cards, making them a cost-effective option for borrowing money. Beyond these advantages, they can also help improve your credit score through responsible use and timely repayments. However, it's crucial to approach a personal line of credit with caution, ensuring responsible borrowing and a clear understanding of the terms and conditions to make the most of this financial tool. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share these videos with a friend or family member. It helps us reach a larger audience, and it may help someone you know.